Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome to the Cool Ideas channel. You know, I've been thinking, cars these days are getting crazier by the minute. Case in point, Nissan just unveiled the Nissan Hyper Urban, and boy, it's a doozy. They say it's a compact electric crossover, but let me tell you, it's like they took a bunch of futuristic movie props and slapped some wheels on them. Now, this Nissan Hyper Urban isn't your typical electric car. Oh no, it's got doors that rise up like a Lamborghini. You know, I always thought the biggest challenge with a Lamborghini was trying to get in and out without looking like you're auditioning for a dance-off. But now, with the Hyper Urban, Nissan's got us covered. You just slide into those upward-rising doors like you're stepping into your own personal spaceship. I mean, who needs a flying car when you've got doors that make you feel like you're taking off, right? And let's not forget about the Autopilot feature. They say this car can drive itself. I don't know about you, but I'm a bit skeptical. I mean, my GPS still occasionally tells me to turn left into a lake. So I'm not sure I'm ready to trust a car to do all the driving just yet. But hey, if it means I can sit back, relax, and let the car do the work, sign me up. But the real kicker, folks, is that this car can recharge electric appliances. I mean, what's next? A toaster that can also change your oil. I can already see people plugging in their hair dryers and electric grills, turning their cars into mobile cookouts. Hey, who wants a hot dog? Just plug it into the Nissan Hyper Urban. Now, I don't know about you, but I've had my fair share of experiences with Quirky Car Features. I once had a car with a sunroof that refused to close. It's like the car decided I needed more vitamin D, whether I liked it or not. And let's not even talk about the time my car's radio started randomly playing Baby Shark at full blast during rush hour traffic. I couldn't turn it off, and I swear the car was laughing at me. In all seriousness, though, it's fascinating to see how technology is transforming our vehicles. Who knows what the future holds for cars? Maybe one day we'll have cars that can make us coffee or give us massages on our daily commute. Until then, I'll be here, trying to figure out how to parallel park without embarrassing myself. Before I wrap this up, folks, remember to subscribe to the Cool Ideas channel. You never know what crazy, car-related news we'll be discussing next, and who knows, maybe one day you'll find me trying to fit my entire life into a car that charges my blender. Until then, stay cool, stay curious, and keep those doors rising. Good night, everyone.